Hi guys, welcome to another episode. Today I'm going to tell you why not to buy the Sony charger for your Sony camera batteries. To be honest, if you want to buy one, just buy one. But what I did, because I now have two bodies, if you want buy one, buy one. In the UK it costs £85. My partner Anya, she owns one and she's really pleased with it. However, I've bought this HAHNEL Pro Cube 2 on Amazon. It costs exactly the same thing, 85, well, it cost me £82. And I can charge two batteries for my Sony cameras simultaneously, as well as I can also charge some batteries, like rechargeable batteries, the AA type. And this Pro Cube 2 has multiple trays for different Sony batteries, like the Sony NP BX1, Sony FW50, and the Sony FZ100, which are the ones for the Sony Alpha 7C and Alpha 7IV I own. In the box, you have a UK plug. You can change it as well to the US, EU, and you have 12-volt car adapter. That's a proper good set. And there is a screen. By the way, I will show you just now. There is that AAA batteries. You just put it on top. Oh, it's actually magnetic. And you put the batteries here and you charge. Simple as. I edited the video just now and I've noticed that I totally forgot to mention that you do have those Pro Cubes too, for Nikon, for Canon, I believe for Panasonic and for Fujifilm as well, but I will double check it. The difference is in color and obviously the slots for the batteries, but I will check it, and whatever I find I'm gonna put it on the video. That's all. So I've been just doing the montage and I thought I totally forgot to mention that there are different cubes for different brands. Now let's go back to the video. That's a Sony battery. You just gently press it down and the battery is in and you can charge it. Well, you can start charging it. At the back, you plug the power supply here and you have the USB type A over here. And to be fair, pretty much that is it. So choose whichever charger you want. For me, with two cameras, 4 batteries, this one will be more time efficient. If you like the video, please give it a like. It always helps the channel to reach a wider audience. So remember to drop that like. Also, subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit that bell notification icon to be notified when I upload a new video. Once again, if you have any questions, just drop the comment down below. It's all for today. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one. Cheers!